How to delete everything on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete everything from our phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting everything from our phone is also quite very simple, but for this you first need to understand which phone you are using and what are the steps, because to delete it we have to factory erase our device. Now, to factory erase any of our Android device, we can simply open up settings and we can look for the about section, or maybe we can just go to this option here known as general and tap on it. And under general, if you go even on iPhone, you will find this option right here known as reset. So you want to go to the reset option here, and all you have to do is, we don't want to reset only settings, we want to reset and erase everything from our phone. So you can just tap the factory data reset option here, and from here you can tap on the reset option if you'd like to reset your phone. This way you'll be able to delete everything from your phone. Just make sure you back up in case there are some important data that you need. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.